The nation's political parties issued their responses following the impeachment ruling. Park Ji-won has the contrasting mood from the domestic political arena.
Korea's opposition parties hailed the Constitutional Court's impeachment ruling, saying justice was served. The main opposition Democratic Party of Korea praised the court's unanimous decision, saying it will mark the beginning of a new chapter in the country's history, one that is based on the rule of law.
Everyone must abide by the Constitutional Court's ruling. We must restore our constitutional values and focus on normalizing state affairs. With the president removed, all political parties must put aside their partisan interests and take on the responsibility to look after the people and the country.
The minor opposition People's Party and Justice Party said the ruling represents a chance for Korea to root out corruption in society, especially by eradicating the corrupt ties between political power and big business.
Now is the time for changes in politics and people's lives. The political arena bears a common responsibility to move beyond this historic misfortune and build a new country.
The splinter conservative Partisan Party, which consists of dozens of former ruling party lawmakers who belong to the non-pro-President Park faction, said it hopes the court's ruling will end the ongoing tensions and not spark another conflict.
This marks the start of a new history. Our decision to leave the ruling party and support the impeachment of President Park was proven to be the right one.
Meanwhile, the Liberty Korea Party, which still counts the former president as a member, said it humbly accepts the result and respects the court's authority and its decision. The party's interim leader apologized for disappointing the public and for failing to protect the nation's reputation, as the party bears a great deal of responsibility for the failure of the Park administration.
The Liberty Korea Party is the ruling party that gave birth to the Park Geun-hye administration and is a partner of the government. But we failed to perform our duty to protect the dignity of the people and the Republic of Korea.
Meanwhile, National Assembly Speaker Chung Se-gyun urged the country's parties and politicians to take time for reflection and seek reform, saying Korea's political system and culture should also be subject to reform. The Assembly Speaker also called for national unity, saying now is the time to heal the country's wounds and prepare for the future to build a new Republic of Korea. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.